It's finally time to retire this thing. It's an old Ready Heater, 170,000 BTUs. The thermostat quit years ago. I used to have to stand in front of it after you turn it on to choke it out to get it to fire up. And now you start it up and it just dies. So we bought us a new one. We'll show you. This is what we ended up getting. They were on sale. 50 bucks off, so I got this. That one's 175, this is 140. This is a multi-fuel, burns anything you can throw in the tank. 9 hours of running time on a full tank, 3,500 square feet. Pull it out of the box, fire it up. I drained all the fuel out of my other one. And we're getting ready to go here in just a second. All right, we got about 7 gallons of gas. It was a little over half a tank. Okay. Turn it on, plug it up. This is the first time it's been plugged up. Okay. Now, oh, turn it on, dumbass. 60 degrees in here. It's running. I hadn't had a thermostat in a long time. Oh yeah. Houston. Got heat fired up all by itself. I didn't have to stand in front of it and choke it out. Where's Chewy at? Oh, okay. Alright, we can turn it off. We know it works. Alright, go shut my bus off. And then I'm going to come down here tomorrow and clean this bomb up. It's like a bomb. Huh? Yeah. One of you northerners need to buy this car from me. No rust. It's only had clipped one baby deer in its whole life this morning. I'll clean it up before I give it out. I gotta clean this deck lid off. It's pretty ugly. 2 new tires. This axle's been rebuilt. 2 new calipers, brake rotors, all new brakes all the way around. Probably got 10,000 miles on them. New belt, new alternator, probably 2.5 years ago. This is a turnkey car. This isn't some beater piece of shit you're gonna have to take home and put $300 or $400 in it just to drive it. I drive this thing everywhere. We were in Birmingham today. I'd actually went to every Home Depot in town. Nobody had one. Went to went to Home Depot in Birmingham, Lowe's and Home Depot in Trussville. Came back home, not think. Well, I bought a heater at Home Depot in Trussville, but it was a little 180,000 BTUs. No legs, no wheels, it just sits on the ground. Well, the problem with that, you're scooting it around, it wears the bottom out, and then they leak after a couple of years. Anyways, I bought it, we got home, not even thinking. Tractor Supply. So we pulled into Tractor Supply, and sure enough, they had that one, and it was only $40 more than the one I bought at Home Depot, and it's nearly double the size. I mean, it's 60,000 BTUs more. And so I bought this one and then took the other one back to our Home Depot. So, I mean, that tells you, I mean, you can drive this car anywhere. So if somebody's interested, $3 grand, you know, you want to pay my airfare home, I'll drive it to you. You just fly me back home, pay for my fuel. There you go.